I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the luxurious world of the Audi A8 from the D4 generation, produced between 2010 and 2017. This flagship saloon is a symbol of German engineering excellence, boasting a sleek design, advanced technology, and a ride that feels like gliding on air. However, like any high-end vehicle, it comes with its share of challenges that potential buyers in the United Kingdom should know about. Let us start with an overview of what makes the Audi A8 D4 a standout choice. Its spacious interior, packed with premium leather and cutting-edge infotainment, offers unparalleled comfort for long motorway journeys across the UK. On the positive side, the powerful engine lineup, including efficient diesels and punchy petrol options, delivers impressive performance without sacrificing refinement. Yet, no car is perfect, and the A8 D4 has earned a reputation for some costly pitfalls. Owners often praise its Quattro all-wheel drive system for handling wet British roads with ease, providing stability in rain-soaked conditions. That said, maintenance can be a wallet drainer, especially if you are not prepared for Audi's premium parts prices. Now let us get to the heart of the matter: the top 5 weaknesses of the Audi A8 D4. These issues are based on real owner reports from forums, MOT records, and service histories in the UK. We will explore each one, highlighting why they occur and how to spot them early. First up is the Multitronic CVT transmission, a common headache in models with front-wheel drive. This continuously variable transmission promises smooth shifts, but often fails prematurely due to overheating and wear on the chain belt. Owners report jerking, slipping, or complete failure after around 80,000 miles, leading to repair bills exceeding £3,000. Despite this flaw, the CVT does offer fuel efficiency benefits on urban drives in cities like London. However, if you are buying a used A8, insist on a full transmission service history to avoid surprises. Many UK mechanics recommend switching to models with the ZF 8-speed automatic for better reliability. Moving on to the second weakness: turbo failures, particularly in the petrol engines like the 4.0 TFSI. These turbos can suffer from oil starvation or wastegate issues, causing loss of power and that dreaded check engine light. Repairs often involve replacing both turbos, costing upwards of £4,000 at a specialist garage. On the brighter side, when functioning well, these turbos provide exhilarating acceleration, making overtakes on the M1 a breeze. To mitigate risks, regular oil changes with high-quality synthetic are essential, as per Audi's guidelines. UK owners should watch for blue smoke from the exhaust as an early warning sign. The third major issue is the air suspension system, which gives the A8 its magic carpet ride but is prone to leaks and compressor failures. Over time, the air struts can deflate, leading to a bumpy ride or the car sitting unevenly. Replacement costs can hit £2,500 per corner, not including labour. That said, this system excels in absorbing potholes on rural British lanes, enhancing comfort over standard springs. Proactive owners in the UK often opt for aftermarket warranties to cover these expensive fixes. Always check for suspension warning lights during a test drive. Fourth on our list are electrical gremlins, stemming from the complex wiring and modules in this tech-heavy saloon. Problems like faulty MMI infotainment screens, malfunctioning parking sensors, or intermittent battery drain are rife. Diagnostic work at a dealer can cost hundreds, with parts adding up quickly. Positively, the A8's array of gadgets, including adaptive cruise control, makes it a joy for tech-savvy drivers on long hauls. To stay ahead, UK buyers should ensure the car's software is updated during routine services. Many issues trace back to water ingress, so inspect for damp carpets. Finally, the fifth weakness is excessive oil consumption, especially in the 3.0 TDI diesel variants popular in the UK for their economy. These engines can burn through oil at rates of 1 litre every 1,000 miles, risking internal damage if not monitored. Top-ups become routine, and in severe cases, piston ring replacements cost over £2,000. However, this diesel powertrain shines with strong torque for effortless towing or loaded family trips. Regular oil level checks, as advised in the owner's manual, can prevent bigger problems. Fuel efficiency around 40 miles per gallon on motorways is a definite plus for cost-conscious Brits. Beyond these top 5, the A8 D4 impresses with its build quality and safety features, earning top Euro NCAP ratings. The aluminium space frame keeps weight down, aiding handling despite the car's size. Interior space accommodates 5 adults comfortably, ideal for executive transport. One underrated strength is the optional night vision system, which enhances safety on foggy British nights. Yet, high insurance premiums, often exceeding £1,000 annually for Group 45, reflect its luxury status. Always compare quotes from UK providers like Admiral or Aviva. In terms of driving dynamics, the A8 handles twisty B-roads surprisingly well for its 2-ton heft. Adaptive dampers adjust on the fly, balancing comfort and sportiness. However, tire wear can be rapid on performance-oriented models, adding to running costs. For those considering purchase, used prices start at about £10,000 for a high-mileage 2010 example. Mid-range 2014 diesels go for £20,000 with full service history. Factor in annual servicing at around £500 to keep it purring. The cabin's ambient lighting and Bang & Olufsen sound system create a serene environment. Yet, some owners note creaks from the dashboard plastics over time. Ventilation is excellent, with quad-zone climate control standard on higher trims. Engine options range from the frugal 2.0 TFSI to the mighty 6.3 W12, though the latter is rare in the UK. Diesels dominate for their 40+ miles per gallon efficiency. Petrol fans enjoy the supercharged 3.0 for its balance of power and economy. Visibility is generally good, aided by large mirrors and optional 360-degree cameras. Blind spots can be an issue in heavy London traffic. The boot offers 510 litres, ample for golf clubs or weekend luggage. In conclusion, the Audi A8 D4 suits discerning executives who value luxury and technology over bulletproof reliability. It is perfect for high-mileage drivers on UK motorways who can afford specialist maintenance. If you prioritize a refined cruiser with occasional thrills, this could be your match, but budget for potential repairs. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.